Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to make these super fudgy chocolate chunk brownies. Let's get started. Here I'm cutting 150 grams of milky chocolate. I'm gonna cut it into small pieces and add it into a bowl and heat it in the microwave for a few seconds. I'm going to use the double boiler method to melt my chocolate properly. In a bowl, we're gonna sift in our dry ingredients, which is half cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix and set aside. In another bowl, I'll sift in 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and I'll add here half a cup of oil. Beat it for a minute or two. Here I'm adding 2 eggs, one at a time, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Here I'm gonna beat the eggs just for 40 to 45 seconds. We don't want to overbeat our eggs. Here I have 1 tablespoon of coffee mixture. I just mixed 1 teaspoon of coffee with 1 teaspoon of water and added to my batter to enhance the flavor. Here I'm adding my melted milky chocolate. We're just gonna mix it till the chocolate has combined in the mixture. Now I'm adding my dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mixing it slowly. You can use a hand whisk at this point, but I'm just gonna mix it slowly with the beater slightly without on it. Here I've on the beater just for 1 second and mixed all the ingredients together. Here just scrape the sides and pour your batter into a greased pan lined with butter paper. The trick here, you have to tap your brownie mold at least 15 to 20 times till you see a greased oily layer at the top, so you can get the flakiness on the brownies. Here I'm adding cold chocolate chunks. The tip here to add cold chocolate chunks so your chocolates don't sink in the brownie while they're baked, they stay at the top. I'll bake my brownies in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes on medium to low flame. Here our brownies are perfectly ready. I have left it outside to cool down at room temperature for 1 hour. Here I'm gonna cut the sides. And you can slice your brownies as you like, but make sure your brownies are at room temperature, otherwise they might break while cutting them. You can see how fudgy and gooey are those brownies, and you can see the chocolate chunks, they're sitting right at the top of the brownies. I hope you people liked my recipe. Please do try, share, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.